Pfeiffer. Check out the guy riding shotgun. He's absolutely immobile. Sitting shotgun in that Sparko seat. Look how tight he is on the wall. Look at him, he's all cocky, throwing the peace sign out the window. He's psyched. Give it up for Alex Pfeiffer. This is the grand finale of today. We'll be back tomorrow. Alex Pfeiffer, the sliding Hawaiian. Got the winner of a drift ride. Look how tight he gets on the wall. The winner riding shotgun with Alex Pfeiffer. Guy riding his life. Alex throwing some Yokohama rubber smoke in the air. Orido, Max Orido. Yes, sir. Max Orido just flew in from Japan. Literally just picked him up at the airport. Look at the smoke coming off the Supra. Make some noise, Atlanta. This is the highest horsepower car out here. It's just been in stable, just hanging out, waiting for Orido to bang on this thing. And here he goes, here at NOPI, at the RSR Drift Festival. Look at Orido. Orido, one of the top 10 D1 drivers in Japan. Came all the way over here just to put on a show for you. Look how tight he comes on the wall. Make some noise, Atlanta! On top of that, he's got a guy riding shotgun with him. Max Orido, Manabu Orido. Can't even see him. He's up in a cloud of smoke. Woo! What do you guys say? Suspension components. Look how tight he comes. That guy can almost touch the wall. Look at the car control as they initiate drift. Sometimes if you see their back wheel stop, that's an e-brake initiation, a drift initiation where it brings it out. You won't see that a lot of this format just because they're mashing the throttle and they're just doing an overpower drift. High speed drift, just flicking it sideways with a clutch kick initiation. What do you guys say about Alex Pfeiffer? Here comes DiGerio Yoshihara. The piston make around the Netto Tires Sylvia. Maintained by Meguiar's. All these cars, they're painted, taken care of by Meguiar's Car Care Products. And here comes DiGerio Yoshihara, rocking a 360 for you, with a 180 burnout. Just shy of the bearing problems earlier. Started to shut down early in the last round. The loudest car out here, Kazu Hayashida from Japan. Naturally aspirated. Mashing the throttle, make some noise for Kazu Hayashida! Yes, sir! Make some noise for Alex Pfeiffer! Alex is sliding Hawaiian. This weekend, about 5 minutes ago, this car will impress and the driver will impress you more. Manabu Orido. Check out the reverse entry! Manabu Orido. Rear wheel burnout. Just flew from Japan. I literally saw him change the time on his watch from Japan to American time. And here he goes, sitting in the right-hand drive, Toyota Supra. Manabu Orido, Redox, Max Orido, RSR Toyota Supra. Riding shotgun with him is Takahiro Ueno. His car blew up earlier, so he's riding shotgun with Orido. Manabu Orido, Takahiro Ueno. Racing clutch, Takata harnesses. C West body kit. He competes in a Supra in Japan. His favorite car is a Supra. He has a street car in Japan. And he's one of the top 10 drivers. Pfeiffer and DiGerio. DiGerio, get on his back bumper. I know you can hear me. Let's see some mayhem. Make some noise, Atlanta, as they come around. Slide or die. Let's see him crash. Let's see this thing go down. Look at DiGerio sucking up on Alex's back bumper. Woo! Alex Pfeiffer and DiGerio. DiGerio showing he can has good car control, can suck up on Alex. Alex has really good angle. DiGerio has one of the highest entry speeds of any of the drifters in Formula D. Look at that car control! What do you say, Leno? Yoshihara and Max Orido. With Takahiro Leno sticking his hand out the left side. Both those are right-hand drive vehicles. Kazu, Hayashida, and Orido. Look at Orido in the air on the smoke on his back tires. He's just getting a feel for the car. Hayashida and Orido up in a cloud of Yokohama smoke. What do you guys say, Lara? This is insane. You can hardly see him through this Yokohama smoke. Look at how tight Orido is on the wall. Coming super tight to the bull ring. I wanted to put on a show just for you guys. This is insane. I can't even see him. Make some noise, Atlanta, when they go around. They can hear you. Hayashida, Orido, and Leno coming all the way from Japan. Light him up, Orido. In the RSR 240SX with Nike in Yokohama, make some noise for this guy can ride his door like a horse. Look at the car control as he goes around those cones. In the S2000, this car's not even made to go sideways. Designed in Southern California. R&D this car, back and forth. Make some noise for Alex Pfeiffer, Atlanta! Look at the car control as he rocks some donuts around the photographer. DiGerio Yoshihara gonna run a tandem run here. Alex Pfeiffer. Make some noise as they go around. The crazier, the louder you get, the crazier they get. Look at the car control. Look how tight the car control on that far side. Alex Pfeiffer in the S2000, his manifold cracked earlier, his turbo manifold. The guys at Design Craft on the RSR pit crew changed the manifold in that vehicle, if you can believe it. Look at this, Manji down the side, going the reverse direction. Alex Pfeiffer, DiGerio, look at the smoke coming off Di's rear wheels. Alex Pfeiffer and DiGerio. You're gonna hear the tires blistering, screaming for mercy. Alex Pfeiffer and DiGerio mashing up the course. Yoshihara. Quadruple drift. What do you say, Atlanta? Pfeiffer in the lead. Look at the quadruple sideways drift. Kazu getting put to the back. DiGerio going around the light pole. They can barely see through the cloud of smoke. Orido. Alex giving up the front to Orido. Look at the sparks coming off his tires. Look at the sparks coming off Orido's rear tires. He's down to the wire tread. Look at Orido's tires. Orido's tires running on metal. Woo! What do you say, Atlanta? I said, what do you say, Atlanta? RSR Drift Festival Rock and Roll, presented by RSR Yokohama. Yes, Sparko, make some noise for Alex Pfeiffer. Manabu Orido. Kazu Hayashida. Alright, we're gonna save it. Let's make some noise one last time. Manabu Orido. Takahiro Ueno. Manabu Orido's on top of the car. Takahiro Ueno getting out of the Honda S2000. Alex Pfeiffer. And getting out of the Nissan 350Z. Kazu Hayashida. And doing donuts around all the drivers is DiGerio Yoshihara. Make some noise, Atlanta!